The name of your business and your identity is perhaps the most relevant, most important assets that you may have, and they're the longest living assets in your business. So I made this video to tell you how to make sure that you can have the name which can be protected and can create value in the long term. So the first tip is quite general, and is that you know the customers, you know the market, and you know which value your products bring to the market and customers. So use the name to tell this story, to explain for the customers. And after we have a story, a name, or some suggestions for the name, we go into more technical stuff. And the first thing to do is to make sure that you have internet presence. It means that you have registered domain names, social media handles, or usernames. Domain names. Simply Googling your name is not enough. You need to go to online domain registry like godaddy.com and look for specifically your domain and the way you want it to be shown in the browser window. Once the name is available, register this, and you might want to register this in all relevant domains. So it could be com, biz, your country, .ai, etc., etc. But think in advance about all the possible domains for your business. The second thing is to register social media handles. It's not a big deal, but still it's good to have it done beforehand. So go on specific platform that you want to be present in and register the user names. To register the domain name is not as expensive. To register social media handle is almost always free, but it's more expensive to do this once someone else have registered the domain before you, because you know all domain names, social media handles, they are given on the first come, first serve basis. If you're building a long-term business, a long-term value, you want to have your brand registered as a trademark. In the beginning, it's not necessary to register your trademark from day one, but still you need to make sure that once you are there and ready to take decision to register, you have this possibility. So go to the trademark database and search for your brand and your name, the way you want to see it. And you may also want to search for all similar domains, or similarly looking or sounding names, because this can cause you some legal problems once you want to register. Check the countries that domains are registered in. Check the goods and services that they are registered in. Once you're ready to have the decision to register the trademark, also consider what's your main business, what geographic area you want to sell in, and what types of services or goods you want to do. Registering a trademark is a bit more expensive than the domain, but still it's a very long-term perspective. If you are not yet ready to register the trademark, you can at least use TM symbol together with your name. In this way, you symbolize to your customers, to competitors, that you see this name as a brand and you are going to protect it, and it has legal protection. And remember this tip, always when you decided to register some name as a trademark, before this, register the domain names. Otherwise, the trademark applications, they got published, and people can automatically register relevant domains once your application is published. And it means if you haven't done it before, you'll have to go back to those people and ask them to sell you the domain names. And you may guess the price will be a bit different. And final, take action. Tell this story with the brand. Use your mark in your presentations, your products, etc., etc. Don't be shy. Legal terms, it shows that you are using the trademark. So even if you haven't registered it yet, you're showing that you are actively using this and may have legal claims for the trademark, and if someone tries to copy it. Follow me for more tips and ideas about IP, subscribe and like.